If you've ever wanted to make your fillable PDF forms truly interactive by allowing users to submit their completed form with a single click, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to insert a professional-looking submit button into your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. By the end of these steps, you'll know how to add a button that not only looks good, but actually sends form data where it needs to go, whether that's your email or a database. Let's get right into it. First, open your PDF form in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure it's the version for editing, not just Acrobat Reader. You'll need to be able to make changes to the structure of the document. If you haven't made a fillable PDF before, this same process applies once your fields are set up. From here, head up to the Tools tab at the top and select Prepare Form. This is the hub for all things interactive in your PDF. If you don't see it right away, just search Prepare Form in the Tools search bar. Clicking this launches the editing interface, and you'll see the PDF overlaid with all your form fields, ready for you to add buttons, checkboxes, or whatever you need. Now, to insert the Submit button itself, look in the Prepare Form toolbar for the button icon. It's usually a simple rectangle with the word OK inside, kind of like a virtual version of the buttons you see on websites. Click that icon, and then head over to your PDF page. Click anywhere you want the button to appear. Or, if you want something a little larger, click and drag to set the exact dimensions. As soon as you place the Button Properties dialog pops up automatically, so you're ready to customize. Let's go through these properties because the details here can make the difference between a button that's clear and effective, or one that confuses users. In the General tab, give your button a descriptive name, like Submit Form Button. This isn't really seen by users, but it helps if you need to make changes later. In the Tooltip box, add a phrase like, click here to submit your form. This helps folks using screen readers and adds a layer of clarity for all users. Flip over to the Options tab next. Under Layout, choose Label Only. This streamlines the button's look, making it clean and direct. Type the word Submit or something similar like Send Form into the label box. This is exactly what users will see, so keep it straightforward. Head to the Appearance tab if you want to spice up the design. Here, you can adjust the button's colors, font style, and border to match your branding or simply make it stand out on the page. It's a small detail, but a well-designed button can really boost the professionalism of your form. Now, let's define what actually happens when the button is clicked. Go to the Actions tab. From the Select Action dropdown, choose Submit a Form. Click Add, and you'll see the Submit Form Selections dialog pop up. This is where you tell Acrobat what to do with the submitted data. If you want submissions to go straight to your inbox, enter your email in the format mail to youremail@example.com. That little mail to at the start is crucial. It tells Acrobat to use email. Alternatively, you could use a web URL for automated processing. Below, choose your export format. If you want the entire completed document, select PDF the complete document. If you only need the raw data, go for FDF. That's handy for database import or similar applications. Click OK to finalize the submission details. Once that's set, click Close on the Button Properties dialog box. Before you pat yourself on the back, click the Preview button in the upper right corner of Prepare Form. This lets you try out the new Submit button. Does it prompt you for an email or send the data as you wanted? If so, you're almost done. Finally, just save your work. File menu, then Save. Your PDF is now equipped with a working Submit button that delivers completed forms faster and easier than ever. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button and let me know if you have any questions or want to see more advanced form tutorials. Subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if there's a specific form tool you want to learn about next. Thanks for watching.